Today we will explain in detail what CBD is, why is CBD effective, and how to use CBD. But first, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. As you must know, the cannabis plant holds a strong image globally. The medical and pharmaceutical sectors are using this plant to treat various ailments. Cannabis is also famous as medical marijuana. It contains several active compounds called cannabinoids, which are basically responsible for cannabis's effect on people. Cannabidiol is one of these cannabinoids, and we will discuss CBD in depth. CBD is famous due to its non-psychoactive characteristic. In simple words, it means that it does not make a person high. It eliminates the undesirable effects of psychoactive cannabinoids THC, such as intoxication, drowsiness, getting high, and memory impairment. CBD is a critical compound as CBD oil contains minerals and vitamins to boost an individual's daily routine. CBD possesses incredible dietary value. It contains omega-6 and omega-3 polyunsaturated fats, vitamin E, C, B1, B2, B3, and B6. That is why CBD oil has a substantial nutritional worth around the world. Why is CBD effective? Let us explain to you this. Our body's endocannabinoid system has a dominant role with CBD. It joins with the cannabinoid receptors in different parts of our body, mainly in the central nervous system, by the antipsychotic impact. Its medical benefits are extensive, and CBD is likewise extremely easy to use. It is generally utilized in different forms, and individuals can utilize it as indicated by their need. As CBD is a non-psychoactive compound, it helps to eliminate psychoactive effects induced by the other compounds present in the cannabis plant. Let us tell you how one can use CBD in different ways. CBD can be used as an ingredient for various recipes, oil for massage, sublingual drops, as edible, as a vape, and you can also use it as a topical agent. CBD is available in numerous forms in the market. The pharmaceutical industry has formulated CBD in various types, so that any individual searching for CBD can get a kind of their choice. For instance, a few people do not feel comfortable taking tablets and capsules as they have an issue in direct gulping, which is typically observed in kids. Such people can utilize another form of CBD products available in the market. Some common forms of CBD are as follows. CBD oil is the most common form people prefer. They apply CBD oil and put the drops under their tongue. Soft gel capsules or CBD pills are also used. If a person uses capsules, they will feel its effect later, as orally CBD has to pass through the GI tract. CBD gummy bears are also widely used. CBD oil is also used in vapes that offer an instant effect, but do not last long. CBD spray provides a high-level dose of CBD into the mouth with each spray. CBD can be utilized topically and orally as a tincture, as per the requirement. CBD can do a lot for you. Research shows that CBD is very beneficial in providing physical and psychological help. It can enhance the daily life of a person. As it is non-psychoactive, it has tremendous medical benefits. CBD acts as an effective analgesic in various disorders by eliminating painful sensations. Randomized clinical research suggests that CBD is remarkably viable in relieving cancer pain and multiple sclerosis pain. CBD helps treat epilepsy, mainly in children. CBD lowers the level of anxiety due to any trauma. CBD has anti-inflammatory features, and it is prescribed to treat inflammation in various diseases such as cancers, oral disorders, etc. It is also beneficial in curing inflammation symptoms of arthritis and other complications with similar symptoms. A transitional report of around 30 years suggested that CBD effectively aids psychotic disorders, like schizophrenia. Professionals have led a few examinations to assess the ability of CBD in diabetes that finished effectively with positive outcomes. CBD eradicates the symptoms of cancers and tumors. A receptor, 5-HT1A, combines CBD-induced antidepressant effect and raised levels of glutamate, which is why it is known to be a fast-acting antidepressant in the medical industry. All references are attached at the end of the video. We hope you are well aware of CBD now. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.